There's the bug in its current state. This is October 30th. And got all the fenders off, obviously. They're over here. Got the original German fenders in my truck that have been sandblasted, and they're ready to go to the paint shop along with the bug. I sold these aftermarket fenders, and so we got all the fenders off, got the running boards off. Gonna clean all that up. There's no it's all solid underneath. There's no through rust or anything. There's surface rust a little bit on the running boards, so I think we're gonna replace those. So we got all the seals off, obviously all the trim off. Trim is good. Gonna get new clips for it. All the glass out, and it's ready to go. Ready to go to the paint shop. So it's gonna get all pretty. Gonna go stock color, of course, and not sure yet on the paint I'm gonna select. We're gonna talk it over with the body man tomorrow, the paint guy, the paint specialist, the paint dude. So anyway, that's where we are. Got new parts coming in. Bumpers, running boards, interior, and get it all started. Well, it's all started, but get the inside started.